this lecture about Chapter 7, we are going to see how to create or prepare income statements. First, remember that you have a worksheet in which you have all the income statement accounts, which is all the incomes and outcomes that you have in the period. Now, to prepare, we are going to use this format with two columns. First, the name of the company, then the name of the statement, income statement in this case, and then the period or date for which you're preparing the statement. We begin with the revenues. We list all the revenues first. In this case, we have two sales accounts, lessons or music lessons and instrument repair, line and totalize. We are not going to draw any line below the total revenue because we are going to add or subtract from that account a little bit later. Now we continue with expenses. List all the expenses, line and total. Pay attention that in this form we are not using debit and credit concepts. It's just that we are using this column for the accounts belonging to the group revenues and this one, the ones who belongs to the group expenses. And we use this column for the total. Now that we have the total revenues and total expenses or outcomes, we line and subtract. Notice that in this case, expenses are higher than revenues, which means that we had a net loss in the period. Then double line. To complete the income statement, we use this column here with the percentage. In this case, the 100% is the total revenue, and we are going to compare the total expenses. You will also, if you like, compare each one of the individual expenses against the total revenue that we have. Our loss is 23.7% of the total sales. Thank you very much for your attention.